In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Return to Top button on your Google Sites page, a simple yet powerful feature to enhance user experience on your website. Whether you've got a long web page or just want to add that extra touch of navigational ease, this tutorial is for you. Let's dive in. First, what you need to do is head over to Google Sites, open your preferred web browser, and navigate to Google Sites. If you don't already have a specific site in mind that you'd like to edit, feel free to create a new one. Once you're on the Google Sites dashboard, you'll see a list of your sites if you've previously created them, or you can just start fresh. Remember, familiarity with your layout is key for seamless integration of features like the Return to Top button. Next, to add the Return to Top button, you'll need to visit elfsight.com. Simply start by opening a new tab in your browser and typing in elfsight.com. This is a great platform for finding a variety of widgets and tools that can enhance your website without you needing extensive coding knowledge. Once there, use the search function to look for Back to Top button. This will bring up a selection of templates you can choose from. Each template offers a different style and tweakability, so select one that fits the design aesthetic of your site. After selecting your template, click Continue with this template. Now you're in the customization phase. Here's where you can have some fun personalizing your button to match the look and feel of your site. You can edit the text to say something different if you want, such as backup or simply top. Customize the button's color, text color, size, shape, and layout. This ensures that not only does the button serve its functional purpose, but it also looks cohesive with the rest of your site's design. After you're done customizing, click Publish to generate the code for your widget. Once your widget is published, you'll need to copy the provided embed code. Switching back over to your Google Sites tab, find the option to embed code. This is typically accessible via the Insert panel on the right-hand side of the screen. Paste the code you've copied into the appropriate field and then hit Insert. This step is crucial as it binds the widget to your site, making it live and functional. And just like that, you're done. Your Google Sites page now features a Return to Top button, enhancing the navigation experience for your visitors. This small feature, while seemingly minor, can make a big difference for user interaction, especially on content-heavy web pages. Remember, the key to a successful website is not only in its content, but also in how easy it is to navigate that content. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tricks to optimize your online presence. See you in the next video.